guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Bluetooth couldn't connect error on Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. First, open Windows Update settings by searching for it in the Start menu. Click on Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. If there's a Bluetooth update available, install it. This might fix the issue. Next, search for Check for Updates and open it. Click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Step 3. Update Bluetooth drivers. Now, open Device Manager by searching for it. Find Bluetooth, expand it, and right-click on your Bluetooth device. Select Update Driver, then search automatically for drivers. This will ensure your device has the best drivers installed. Step 4. Run System File Checker. If it's still not working, open CMD as administrator. Type sfc/scano and press Enter. Let the scan complete, then restart your PC. After this, your Bluetooth should be working fine. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.